Hello everyone, how are you today? So in this video, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite candles called Magical Reversal Candle. This candle activate every day at 1 p.m. and I'm going to talk about that before going ahead on the steps and rules and why. But I just want to show you how it will looks on chart. And I just want to mention that this particular candles activate only in Bank Nifty and Nifty. So yeah, as you can see, this particular chart uh, is a yesterday's chart. There's a big gap up, right? And this bullish candle has been activated, and it's keep going till the 1 p.m. So this was the candles of 1 p.m. And after the doji, this get reversal, and we took the trade after the reversal, and we the stop loss was 43 point and the target is 315 points. So you can multiply your targets, your profits and your rewards based on that. So let me go to the chart and explain you what all the steps you need to follow. First steps, you have to wait for the confirmation of the doji candle. Second steps, wait for the reversal trade. So whatever trade been reversed, then only you have to take it. If that trade goes in the same flow, you should not take the trade. So yeah, coming back to the chart, if this is not happen, this is not take the reversal and keep going with the bullish, you should not take the trade, which means your candle is not activated. But yeah, here is a different scenario. It's get reverse and with the good stop loss points, and your target was very huge. Okay, so let's go back to the more previous, like on the 20th. The gap down and whole day the sideways keep going down. After the 1 p.m., this trend get reversed, right? You can see this big red candle. So here's the point, you can take the trade. And after taking the trade, you can see you have get like more than 1:1 ratio target. So someday you will get the huge profit, or someday you will got like 1:1 ratio, but that not bad at all. Yeah. Let me go to the 19. On the 19 is a gap up, and it's whole bull the bearish candle been activated and it's keep going down. But right after 1 p.m., the trend get reversal. Right. You see there's some sort of a doji here, and that trend get reverse. Right after reverse, we took the trade, and this the with the stop loss of 38 point and target is 258 points. So that's a huge, right? So that's how you can take the trade. Again, going back to the on 18th, the gap up, going with the flow. Right 1 p.m., the trade get active, and you can see the whole fall. Right, more back on 17th 1 p.m., the trade goes with the after 1 p.m. also trade going the same flow. So as we discussed, do not follow if they're going to the same trade, right? But I also mentioned if that trend get reversal in any point, you can take the trade, right? So here is a not the scenario, but if you are a risky trader, you can take the trade with the 1:1 ratio. So here's a not activate, but Phil still took the trade. So yeah. On 14th, this whole flow going on. After 1 p.m., there's a doji here, and this trade active. This trade is around 20 points of stop loss, and target is 1.133 points. So that's a huge, right? As compared to stop loss, it's more than 1:5 ratio. Yeah. So yeah, just this is how you can keep doing your own back testing and understand the whole flow. But I want to explain the what all the rule you need to follow. Okay. So first rule, you have to risk management, which mean whatever amount you are putting, whatever capital you are putting, you should not go with the full capital, since it seems like a very simple strategy. You don't need to follow any different indicators or anything, right? It's keep going. Second, keep trailing your stop loss, right? And respect your target. So if you decided that you will take the today's toppest high as a stop loss, and you take the trade in the middle, You should respect the target, and before either you're going more than that, just book the target on it. So you never know when it will get reversed. Again, this is the highest point. You take the trade. After it crossing your target, you can trail your stop loss, right? You can put your stop loss over here and see, right? So here, that's the scenario. Again, here we saw the reversal candle, and this, and the target is a today's bottom, right? If it that cross that one, we will put the trailing stop loss, put we will put over here. But yeah, first target been achieved, so respect your target here. If you do not respect, you will not get your profit. Again, here that candle will activate with the highest stop loss. You should take your all profit and book it right away. So yeah, this is the rule that you need to follow. And explain, I want to explain you like why only 1 p.m this candle activate. You can think about it, what, right? But I'll just explain you quickly why. It's because why Europe market activate at 12:30 to 1 p.m. They start going towards, they start putting their money or taking the money and whatever, right? FIS, like foreign traders also start activate and doing the trading on the second half. And the second half, so it makes sense, like in the second half that trade can reverse on going the same flow. So these are the basic three reasons. That's very important reason. So yeah, I hope you like the video. I hope you will follow this magical candles in your trade now. So yeah, keep watching and keep liking my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.